Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we'll be making this delicious fail-proof chuck roast recipe. Okay, so here's a list of all the ingredients that you will need. If you don't have the red wine vinegar, you can use red wine. They're interchangeable, the red wine and red wine vinegar. Cut your beef into huge chunks like so, and then season them with salt and pepper. Add them to a pot with hot oil. I used olive oil. We just want to sear the meat for about 5 to 8 minutes until they look like so. Once that's done, just place them in a separate bowl to cool down. Meanwhile, just chop up your veggies, which are the onions, garlic, shallots, and carrots if you're going to be using whole ones. You want to place those in the same pot and let them caramelize for a little bit. Once that's done, just add in your 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Let that go for a little while until fragrant or until it looks like so, and then go ahead and add your sprigs of thyme and some rosemary. If you have fresh rosemary, that's good. If not, you can add these like I did. Add back in the beef that we had seared earlier. Stir that up a little bit and then add your broth. I added 2 beef bouillon cubes off camera, so now would be when you would add those as well. And then lastly, the bay leaf. You want to let this cook low and slow for about 2 hours until they're tender and easily fall apart. Here's the final look. They were super tender, and so I served mine over mashed potatoes. And guys, I promise you, this is fail-proof like I had stated in the beginning. It's so delicious. If you're missing 1 or 2 ingredients from the list, don't even sweat it. Like, it won't make a big difference. This comes out perfect every single time. It's always a win. My daughter is picky, but she loves it. So do with that what you will. But I hope you enjoy it. If you do try it, let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.